All right, join me on page 491 of the Go Math textbook. We're on chapter 12, lesson 5. An archaeological dig. On an archaeological dig, 5 students, so 5 different students. The first student found 1, second student found 5, third student found 7, fourth student found 3, and the 5th student found 4 arrowheads. The students agreed to divide the arrowheads evenly. How many arrowheads should each student get? Use counters to show how many arrowheads each of the 5 students found. Use one stack of counters for each student. Okay, so the first student found 1. The second student found 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's harder to draw these things than to actually stack them up. There's 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, use one stack of counters for each student. There's the 5 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to actually just use your counters, though. Hopefully I have enough for everybody. Remove a counter from the tallest stack and move it to the shortest. Keep moving counters from the taller stacks to the shorter stacks until each stack has the same height. Okay, so I'm going to take one from the third student, give it to the first student. Take another one from the third student, give it to the first student. Take another one from the third student, give it to the first student. So now they have 4, they have 5. Okay, number 4 only has 3. And number 2 has 5, so I'm going to give one of these to number 4. So now first student has 4, second student has 4, third student has 4, fourth student has 4, and now the 5th student has 4. Count the number of counters in each stack. So there's 4 in each stack now. The number of counters in each stack is the mean or average. So I just found the average number of arrowheads that each student found. The mean represents the number of arrowheads each student should get if the arrowheads are shared equally. There are 5 stacks of 4 counters. So each student should get 4 arrowheads. Explain what is fair about a fair share of a group of items. When shared fairly, each person or group gets the same amount. So this was the average for each. So even though one student found just 1 and another student found 7, they had agreed before they went out they were going to split them evenly, and that even distribution is the average. How could you find the fair share of arrowheads using the total number of arrowheads in division? So add all the arrowheads up and divide by the number of people or groups. So let's show that real quick. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 7 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 4 is 20. And then there were 5 students. So we use division and we get 4, which is our answer that we got using the counters as well. All right, thanks for watching. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to pause and raise your hand. All right, I'll see you on the next one.